So as a partner, napakahalaga ng role ko sa kanya. In fact, my values, my mindset, attitude towards breastfeeding, and napakalaki ng epekto sa kanya yun. At it shows na nandun yung support ko sa kanya. And usually the wives, they draw support and they draw their strength first and foremost sa kanilang husband. So, breastfeeding is a family affair, is a family activity. Napaka-importante ng role ng tatay doon. Kasi siya, kumbaga, siya yung cheater, siya yung taga-push sa nanay. Minsan kapag medyo nadidepress siya, medyo na-stress, dapat ang tatay lagi nandoon. Dapat positive lagi ang attitude niya. Kasi sa akin, naniniwala ako, if you have a very positive attitude, regardless of what things that you're doing, nandun yun. It gives you the motivation. And sa nanay, kapag nakita nila yung partner nila ay very supportive, nabuboost yung kanilang confidence, nabuboost ang kanilang spirit na they're doing the right thing, and hindi lang sila nag-iisa, kasama nila yung kanilang kabiyak. So, napakahalaga ng role ng tatay sa breastfeeding.
Ako, Selene Midiana, I support breastfeeding.
Ako si Kathleen Vasquez Pahoyan ng Umali Subdivision, and I support breastfeeding.
Hi, I'm Dante Ocampo and I support breastfeeding.
Ako si Ate Eva and I support breastfeeding.
Hi, I'm Cleofe Salvero from Los Baños, Laguna, and I support breastfeeding.
Ako po si Romeo Estimado, isang empleyado dito sa Development Communication with Los Baños. Ay ito sumusuporta sa programa ng breastfeeding.
Hi, ako po si Arieta Papuya Federizo from Davao City. I support breastfeeding.